Simbunani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of A Homecoming. So guys, this episode opens up with the Shongwane family basesibhedlela. Remember, I was there to rush him to the hospital after that incident that happened in Clean. So anyway, Unga is busy pacing the floor. Lapayana, the whole family is just waiting there by the hospital hall, waiting for a doctor or nurse or someone to come update them. Zunga then says, so silindile lana. Why won't they allow us to see ubaba? He's pacing the floor laphan. Uzethu then says, now as the fundis nege ngaraje. Uma ebeseyile laphayana to see him. They told her that unga amngene emlonyeni, and then he goes on to say, Uma went there ages ago. So phele mhlambe nehora. Uzethu then says, okay ke. Yekela kodokotela benze umsebenzi wabo. Bazobuye basitshele. Nomfunda then says ngithukile, and futhi ngiyagodola. You can see tears are filling her face, you guys. Uzethu then says nese sisi zamuqina yezwa. Umashabalala hugs unomfundo. Uzethu goes on to say, ubaba uzolulama. Umashabalala then says kwingane yakhe her last born, it's okay sisi. Phephisa sithandwa sam. You can see Mashabalala was also crying laphayana. Unomfundo looks at Uzethu and then she says, cala uhambe uyombheka. Ungathini thina sihleli kanjena lana. Kanti ubaba ngalena use. Umashabalala then says, shh, like to say like, don't even think about that ngane yami. Unga then says, fufu. Ubaba akayindawo. He won't go anywhere. Unomfundo then says, awukwazi lokho ngaraje. Unga then says, ngiyakwazi. Angeke abantu abadala basithwale iminyaka ngeminyaka bese basijikela ngokumthatha ubaba. Hayi angeke bakwenze lokho. Ana. Our ancestors are always watching over us. Ngiyantshela nazi. Ubaba uzophuma la, and futhi uzophuma ephila. Nizobona. And then that scene just ends like that. Next scene ke uManqobo, she is sitting at home ekuseni, looking all cute in her living room, reading or paging a magazine when there's a knock on the door. So she then frowns to say ukuthi ubani ongongozayo ekuseni kangaka. uManqobo then says ubani. And then the person says, uNomalanga. Manqobo then says, oh, ngena. uNomalanga ngena. She then says, sawubona. Manqobo then says, yebo njani. uNomalanga then says, ngiyaphila unjani. Manqobo then says, ngiyaphila. Yindaba, ngabakhona inkinga. uNomalanga then says, cha, I decided to come and spend some time with you. Mawungena inkinga kodwa. Manqobo then says, ngenayo inkinga. Shouldn't you be at school? Phela ngifuna ubhuti wakho aze lana, breaking down my door. uNomalanga then says angeke Manqobo. Othisha basidedele early namhlanje. uManqobo then says banidedele early. uNomalanga then says yebo. uManqobo then says it's not even 10 a.m. uNoma then says angithi bane-workshop. So it is our decision whether siyahlala esikolweni singenzi lutho or siye emakhaya. uManqobo, you can see she's doubting lento ekhulunywa uNomalanga, and uNomalanga can see it. She then says, hayi kulungile kodwa ngizo. She's about to leave. uManqobo then says, cha, hlala phansi. uNomalanga then says, ngiyabonga, and they both sit down. uNomalanga goes on to say, bengithi angifuni ukuya ekhaya yazi. Phela ugogo yo akathandi mesingenzi lutho. Ikakhulukazi mengiphethe ifoni. Lo mama uyathanda uba busy. Futhi ufuna sonke sibe busy naye. uManqobo ahleke. uNomalanga goes on to say, yo hayi ngeke. And then she says, ubaba uShwabi ukhona. uManqobo then says, akekho, usethaveni. uNomalanga then says, oh. uManqobo then says, nginayo kade ijuice yemango efrijini. Ngikuthelele. uNoma then says, do you have any herbal tea? uManqobo looks at her like to say, hayibo wena, herbal tea. uNoma then says, ngizama ukudetoxa. Angithi sama ifikile. And when I hear uthi, a girl must take care of herself. uManqobo then says, hayibo. Is that Debo? They both laugh. uManqobo aphakame ke. She then says, ngine-rooibos ngalana, ngine-peppermint kanye ne-chamomile tea. uNomalanga then says, ngicela ungenzele i-peppermint tea. Izwakala ngathi mnandi. uManqobo then says, oh, okay. uNomalanga then says, ngingakwazi ukusebenzisa i-bathroom. uManqoba then says, angithi uyazi ukuthi nikuphi? uNomalanga then says, yebo ngiyabonga. She gets up, you guys. She acts as if she's going to the bathroom, but she enters ikamera likaManqoba and her husband. She starts checking, guys, amathrowa phansi naphezulu, phansi kombhede. Ulokuzana uManqoba can see ukuthi hayibo, this girl is taking long. She then says, Nomalanga, alrighty. uNoma then says, yebo ngiright. uManqoba then says, oh, okay. uManqoba usesekitchen, guys. She's waiting for the water to finish boil so that she can make a cup of tea for ulokuzana, for uNomalanga. Guys, uNomalanga abamphucele title of Miss Okambeni because what is this? Anyway, next scene at the hospital, Unga and uZethu are sitting there, the two of them having a conversation. Unga then says, ubaba akakwazi ukushiya. Asikwazi ukulahlekelwa ubaba. uZethu is just listening there. He goes on to say, yazi ngishawa uvalo Zethu. Ngiyesaba. Ngiyazama ukuziqinisa ngenxa kama benufufu. Kodwa ngaphakathi ngikhathazekile. Angifuni ukuhamba amanga. uZethu then says, sonke sikhathazekile ngaraji. Unga then says, yazi bengizitshela ukuthi amadlozi azomvikela ubaba ngeke basiphuce yena. uZethu then says, ngiyazi. Kodwa ke iyodwa vo into engasiza ubaba. Kodwa naye uyayinqaba leyo nto. Unga then says, akho muntu onganqaba usizo eludinga mfethu. Ubaba uthukile nomzimba wakhe ngalana is failing to fight for him. Ngalana uxakekile and he doesn't understand how to deal with that. Ish yazi. uZethu then says, ngiye ngaya kwaKhubeka izolo. Ngiyokhuluma noSifiso. Bengiyomncenga kahle ukuthi ayokhuluma noNgwane. Maybe ubaba will listen if uSifiso begs him. Unga then says, angikhathali ukuthi ubani ozokhuluma naye. Whoever gets to speak to him would have done me a huge favor. Uzobe ngisize kakhulu. Zethu, yazi ubuqinisile. Ngiyaxolisa mntakama. Ngiyaxolisa for giving you a hard time. uZethu just looks at him. She sits back and then says, uyakhumbula sisebancane. Wawuthi isibhedlela awusifuni ngoba sinuka iDettol. Unga smiles and then he says, akukashintshi lokho. Namanje ngiyayizonda le ndawo, angiyifuni nje. She smiles. Unga then says, mntakama, and then he hugs her and the scene just ends like that. Few moments later, guys, in the same hospital, uSifiso has honored the wishes of the person he loves because he's at the hospital to speak noNgwane. So then when he sees uNgwane, uSifiso then says, how sanguine. He takes off his cap. uZenza then says, how? Sompeshane, ubekwa yini lana? uSifiso then says, hayi, ngithe mengizwa ukuthi ikhehle aliphilile kahle. I decided to come and see you for myself. uZenza then says, hi, banamanga. It's not that bad. Nalesi sibhedlela nje, singibangela isicefe yazi. uSifiso then says, hawunqese. Angifuni ukucabanga ukuthi zinjani lezi inhluku ezikubambile. Ukugula lokhu have kuyisela man. Hey, it just enters your home without even announcing itself. uZenza then says, unjalo kona. Sompeshane, bengihlele ukuthi ngizokubona and then I suddenly fell sick. Kodwa engingakutshela kona yikuthi ukuthakatha nje lokhu. Ngiyazi futhi bazama ukuqeda ngami. uSifiso then says, hayi asingabasukeli abomakhelwane. Ngiyakhumbula my uncle, my mother's brother, egula ebambekile impela. Even my traditional medicine couldn't help him. We went everywhere, kodwa hayi sahluleka. uZenza then says, yazi bengiyindoda ezithembayo, nginamandla, ngikwazi ukuzenzela yonke into. But now even with the smallest things, sengithembele enganini zami ukuthi zingilekelele. Uyazi ukuthi ngizizwa kanjani ngaleyo nto leyo? uSifiso then says, there's nothing wrong with relying on your children. Zilapha namhlanje. Zila zikhona empilweni namhlanje. Kungenxa yakho. Kanti naye uZethu engudokotela nje. It's because of the huge sums of money you've spent on her. Yingakho ke, I would encourage you ukuthi umdedele akusize. uZenza looks so confused because he's not expecting his traditional healer to say this. He then says, uthini manje kumina Sompeshane? Angisize ngemithi yabelungu. uSifiso then says, ngiyazi baba. ngiyazi ukuthi mina nawe asikholelwa kwizinto ezinje because we believe in traditional medicine namadlozi. Kodwa kulesi simo lesi, there's no time to choose. Singakusebenzisa together. Nami nje ngingakusebenzisa if I needed to go back home, nginakekele umndeni wami. Sikhumbule futhi ukuthi impilo ayifani baba. The air that we breathe in every day, ukudla esikudlayo okufakwe emathinini akusafani. Asiphili thina impilo efana like our forefathers. Ngayithatha mina le mithi le, and then the scene just ends like that. Few moments later, guys, we see the same Zenzo. When his family comes and visit him during visiting hours, he breaks the news and he tells his family that, listen, ngizoyenza le dialysis. And listen, the whole family is over the moon that finally uZenzo has agreed to do this dialysis. Next scene, uNoma and uVusi are outside indlu kaManqobo. Phela uNoma went back and told ubhuti wakhe ukuthi, listen, I searched the whole room, I didn't find the gun. Kodwa uManqobo told me ukuthi the gun normally sits edrweni. Manje uVusi has convinced uNoma ukuthi siyabuyela laphayana because we need the bullet. So they're outside the house. You can see ukuthi uNoma, she doesn't want to go in there. uVusi is trying to convince her that, listen, we need to do this. uNomalanga then says, hayi iyabheda le idea yakho Vusi. uVusi then says, ayikho into ebhedayo la Nomalanga. Kanti yini inkinga yakho? Thina umsebenzi wethu yukuthi singene sidumise igama likaManqobo, sidlale nje ngaye and tell her that uBaba Shwabi is nothing without her. uNoma then says, uManqobo akusona isilima, usezoqala abe nemibuzo naye. uVusi then says, it's fine. We'll answer all those questions. Just think like a politician. Have you seen how easily they lie? uNoma then says, hayi mina ngiwaqamba manga. uVusi then says, asihamba manga lana. Into siyenzayo siyamshaya kancane futhi. uNomalanga then says, shuthi siyamkhohlisa. uVusi then says, buka lana. Mele sisindise umsebenzi kabhuti. uManqobo is going to help us do that. Nomalanga, asiphule imithetho lana. uManqobo uzosifaka kwakhe. All you have to do is keep her busy. Mina ke, I'll go look for the bullet. Futhi nje ngizoyithola ngokukhulu ukushesha. uNomalanga then says, wenza kuzwakala ingathi kulula. uVusi then says, ilula lento. Oh, okay ke. Ngase ngayithola icebo elihle futhi. uNoma then says, lithini icebo lakho ke? uVusi then says, yabona mesingena laphayana. We can tell uManqobo that we're going around interviewing women abane influence lana emphakathini. Let's go interview her. Woza landela mina. Asambe. He pulls her, you guys. Moments later, ngempela uManqobo, the way she's so excited because, you know, Manqobo, guys, she really wants to live an impactful life. It's just lento dayak. So they're sitting lapayana. uVusi then says, Manqobo, do you mind if I record? Manqobo then says, no, record anginankinga mina. uVusi then says, alrighty ke. Njengoba bengishilo, thank you for allowing us into your home for this assignment. Manqobo then says, ayikho inkinga. Mina ngijabulile ukunisiza. Futhi ngiyayithanda le topic enikhuluma ngayo. Ukhuluma ngabantu besifazane behind powerful men. Imina phela loyo. And then uVusi and uNomalanga bahleke. uVusi then says, that's why you were the first person I thought of. Mina ngikholela ukuthi uBaba Shwabi uyinto ayiyo ngenxa yakho. Manqobo then says, exactly. Phela umuntu wesifazane can either build or break a man. Mina ke ngenza isiqiniseko. Mekavuka umyeni wami, ngimthunela amagama akhayo. I'm his #1 supporter. Futhi ngikholele ekutheni ayikho into engamhlula umyeni wami. Hayibo, ephethe mina ayikho into engamhlula. uVusi then says, usho ukuthi zonke lezi inqumo ezinkulu azithathayo uBaba Shwabi akuzona ezakhe. Manqobo then says, angithi nginendlela yami of taking my ideas and planting them in his head and making him think ukuthi ezakhe, and then they all laugh. Mangcobo goes on to say, ngaleyo ndlela ke sonke si-happy. UVusi then says, hayi, ithi ngishiye uNomalanga abuze imibuzo esele. Mina ngithi ngitoilet, ingakuphi? UMangcobo then says, oh, that's the door straight down the passage. UVusi then says, alright ke ngiyabonga. UMangcobo then says, lokho ke kunginika ithuba ke ukuthi ngikhulume nosisi wakho about how powerful women are. UNoma then says, okay ke awusho. Ubuhleli uzibona njengomholi. UMangcobo then says, weNomalanga, ithi ngikutshele. From when I was a little girl, whenever they opened a circle, I was in the middle. UNoma then says, how? Since esikolweni kanti uVusi, guys, is trying to sneak into the bedroom. Ulokuzana, uMangcobo goes on to say, I was always number one. Those who grew up with me will tell you bangakutshela. Heke uVusi ekamereni, guys, he's searching the drawers, agcine esitholile ispam. He then takes, angazi ukuthi if the bullets were out vele, but he took one bullet and now he's trying to put the rest of the bullets back. Guys, kanti ngase-lounge, uShwabi comes in. Ukhulume efonini. He then says, okay ke ndoda, hayi sobuye sikhulume. He then says, sanibona. Mangcobo then says, yebo khehla lami unjani? uShwabi then says, niyaphila bodwa? Mangcobo then says, hayi siyaphila. uShwabi then says, hayi nakho ke. Ehena, he goes to the bedroom, guys. He opens the door. UVusi, once he hears the bedroom door open, he just freezes. uShwabi then says, ngifunga obhengu. Yeke wena mfana, wenzani la wena? And then the scene and the episode just ends like that. Guys, I wonder how he's going to explain this whole thing. The damn thing, they're just irritating me. Ibama's funny, guys. Even if they take bullets Shwabi and put it esbami fiso, the departments, the police station is still going to be able to see ukuthi this bullet doesn't match the gun unless kebane bames fanayo. Anyway, let's pause it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.